Lesson 1. I'm hungry. Hi Rebecca, how are you? Fine. How are you doing? Okay. What do you want to do?
I'm hungry. I'd like to eat something. Where do you want to go? I'd like to go to an Italian restaurant. What kind of Italian food do you like? I like spaghetti. Do you like spaghetti? No, I don't, but I like pizza.
Lesson 2. Buying a shirt.
Excuse me. Hello, sir. May I help you? Yes. Can I see that shirt on the top shelf, please? Sure. Here it is. How much does it cost? $50. $50. That's too much. How about this one? It's on sale for only $35. I don't like that one. How about the one next to the black gloves? It's very similar to the one you like. That's nice. How much is it? $30. That'll be fine. Is this color okay, or would you like a different color? That blue one's fine. Do you need any more of these shirts? Yes. How many do you want? I'll take 2 more, a red one and a white one.
Lesson 3. Do you know the address?
Excuse me. Do you know how to get to the mall? Sure. I used to work there. Go straight for about a mile, then turn left at the light. The mall will be on the right. Do you know the address? Yes. The address is 541 Main Street. Can you write it down for me, please? No problem. Is it faster if I take Highland Avenue? No, that way is longer. There are more stoplights on that street. I think you're right. Thank you.